Hey YouTube, what's going on? This is another video showing you how to use GitHub pages to display your code or anything you host on it. Now I'm not sure if this works for anything else, but as far as a developer, because I'm a front-end developer, I know it can host and show HTML files, right? So the first thing I'm going to do is, I'm already logged into GitHub, just make a new repository. I'm going to call this like seriously. Anyways, that's the name of my repository. And here it is, it's blank, and it's gonna give you a URL. Right? So here's my here's the code I want to put on my GitHub, right? This is what the site looks like, and it's not even done, it's sloppy. That's why I named it But anyways, any code you have you want to put online, you can use git bash here. I'm using git bash because I'm on Windows and that's the interface I have to use. So I'm using git bash. And when you right click anywhere, there's the option git bash here, and it's automatically going to point to that directory. It's going to change to that directory, and it's very fast and convenient. Thank God there's that option. So once you connect it to the folder you want to put online, you got to make into a local repository, and you do that using git init, which stands for initiate. And you can see it pops up. I have my option to show hidden folders, so I know what folder has a repository and what doesn't. And if you don't know how to do that, then you can just go to your control panel, folder options to show hidden folder. Now I'm going to use git status. It sees all the files. Git add. You can add each file individually, or you can add all. So I'm going to use add all because this is my first time. Git commit -m, use quotations to add a little message. Initial code, that's my commit. It adds all of it and commits it. Now git remote add, and this is how you're going to connect to your online repository. You're going to use the URL it gave you. You can just copy it. So git remote add, you can add the name of it, which is this right here. And then you're just gonna paste the URL. It connects. You can check using git remote. You can see it's connected. Now all you have to do is just use git push --set upstream, the name of the repo or the name of the online repository you're connected to, which is the repo, EAHH, and then you're going to push it to your master branch. You're going to ask your login credentials. It's pushing, it finished pushed. So now this is what it looks like when there's nothing here, but it just finished pushing. So when you refresh it, here's your code. Now to use GitHub pages, all you have to do is just click branch, which should be right here. GH, which stands for GitHub. So GH-pages. You're going to create that branch created, and then you would go to settings, and GitHub pages will give you a link for that repository. Now when you open it, it's not gonna work, and that's because the URL is only pointing to that root folder, which is the name of the repository. So all you have to do is just point to the file you want to show. I want to show this file, and you have to type it exactly as you see it. The K is uppercase, so I'm going to go and type in ken.html. And here it is. Here's the URL for the repo, and this is how you actually like host your website. Like you can actually see it. Open a new tab, you just paste it, paste and go, and it's like a real live URL, like it's official. You can actually buy a domain name and actually point and redirect to this, or you can have this redirect to that domain name you buy. Like you can host and maintain a website just with GitHub. It's really amazing. It's really great. And like I was saying before, I know it can host HTML files and actually show it, but I'm not sure about other files. Like let's test out images. Like if I go to images, if I want to host this file, so let's say if I went to images img-1, it's a GIF file. So and what do you know? It does host other stuff. So yeah, GitHub can host many types of files. So if you're a software developer, web developer, anything you host on GitHub, you should be able to just display it with that directory. And the way the URL works is it's going to be your username .git.il. That's what they give you, right? That's what they give you. And then it's going to be the name of the repository. And then from there, that's when you start working towards whatever file you want to get to. So yeah, that's how you use GitHub Pages. First, you just create the branch. Sorry. You just create that branch or the repo, and then you create the GitHub Pages branch. And then you go to your settings, it's going to give the URL. And all you have to do is just point to that file afterwards. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope this helps out. Take care. Keep coding.